Hi, my name's Nick Kelly. I'm the Food and Safety Team Manager with Cornwall Council. I'm making this short video for you as food production workers so that in the event you are asked to self-isolate, you can get access to a one-off payment and also other services which may make your life more comfortable during that period of self-isolation. It's really important that if you are asked to self-isolate by either the National Test and Trace system or your employer, that you follow those rules. And it's really important mainly because what we want to do is stop the spread of infection of COVID-19. It's important to you as an individual and your health. It's important to your workmates. It's important for their health that you're not putting them at risk of infection. And it's really important for your business that you work for that an infection doesn't take hold and spread to many people. If it does spread to many people, the factory may risk closing down and it may jeopardise its long-term future. It's also important for us in Cornwall that we keep the R rate, the spread of infection, as low as possible so that we can keep Cornwall open for business. When you're outside of work, it's really important that you follow the national guidelines in place to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. You'll know about the rule of 6, about social gatherings, about wearing face masks, and it's really important that you, as an individual, try and limit your contact with other people. And you need to consider this in the context of car sharing, going out for a drink, or going round to see friends. If you've been asked to self-isolate, you may very well have money concerns and you may very well be on statutory sick pay. On the screen at the moment you will see a web link and a telephone number which you can go to for help. There is a one-off payment available to you for this reason, to help life during self-isolation become a little bit easier. I would like to thank you as well for the work that you've done as essential workers in terms of food production during this very difficult time.